This is a really quick review of the Russell Hobbs electric travel kettle. It's worth noting that there's a 3-year warranty on this, which I think is quite good. And it's dual voltage, so you can take it abroad and there won't be any problems. There's no switch to change between the different voltage levels. Then inside you'll find a couple of plastic spoons and then a couple of plastic cups. Looking around the unit, we've got an on and off switch. There's a light at the bottom there telling you whether it's switched on or not. We've got transparent fill indicators on both sides and a flat heating element down at the bottom there. There's a limescale filter in the spout which is detachable. You can potentially get replacements if they stock them. It's quite a plasticky unit, however that does mean it's quite light. If we quickly compare the plastic cups that come with it to a standard mug that I have in the house, they are on the small side. The 850ml capacity of the kettle means that you can fill these little cups around 4 and a bit times, and it will fill what I would call a standard mug about 3 times. I tested this in the UK with a full kettle, so that's 850ml of water, and it took about 5 minutes to boil. However, if you take it to a country like the US, that's half the voltage of the UK, so it will take double the amount of time to boil the same volume of water. Just quickly comparing it to our household kettle, you can see how small this is. It really doesn't take up that much room and it is pretty light, so it'll fit well in a suitcase. So overall, I think it's a pretty good travel kettle to take abroad. It seems quite well made, but I'll update the comments if I have any problems with it. Hope this video was useful. Let me know in the comments if you've got any questions. Thanks for watching. See you next time.